Unveiling the mystery, the bandsaw throat plate explained. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the world of woodworking to explore a very specific term: bandsaw throat plate. If you're curious about what this is and why it's important, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we break it down for you, making it easy to understand and remember. Before we delve into the throat plate, let's first understand what a bandsaw is. A bandsaw is a powerful tool used in woodworking, metalworking, and for cutting a variety of other materials. It consists of a long, sharp blade that wraps around two wheels, allowing it to make precise cuts through materials. Bandsaws are known for their versatility and ability to make both straight and curved cuts. Now, onto the main topic, the throat plate. The throat plate is a critical but often overlooked component of the bandsaw. It's a flat piece of metal or sometimes plastic that sits around the blade on the table of the bandsaw. The key purpose of the throat plate is to support the material being cut and to minimize the gap around the blade, preventing small pieces of material from falling into the saw and potentially causing damage or affecting the saw's performance. You might wonder, why is the throat plate so important? Well, it plays a crucial role in ensuring safety and precision in your cuts. A well-maintained throat plate helps keep the work surface smooth and stable, allowing for more accurate cuts. It also reduces the risk of accidents by preventing material from getting caught in the machinery. In short, the throat plate is a small but mighty component that enhances both the efficiency and safety of the bandsaw. We hope this explanation sheds some light on the function and importance of the bandsaw throat plate. Whether you're into woodworking yourself or just enjoy learning new things, understanding terms like this can enrich your vocabulary and knowledge. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!